Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So, today I'm going to teach you guys how to bust down. It's a dance move that is becoming super popular on TikTok, so if you want to keep up with the latest dance trends, this is the dance move you need to learn. Now, there are many different ways to do it, so I'm just gonna start with the most simple one, and then I'm gonna teach you different variations afterwards, alright? Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, so the most simple one is basically just to put your left arm up like that, grab with your right arm, your shirt, your pants, whatever, just in this area. Alright, so from here, you just want to say, bend back. Here, yeah, almost as if you're leaning. You can do something with your arm here if you want. So we can go round, down, round, down, round, down. That's what they do on the Blueface, Cardi B, Tatiana video, alright? Now, another thing you could do is, move this right arm here. So here, and here, and here, and here, and just show it from the side. So I'm doing here, so every second, go bend and lean, hey. All right, that's the most simple one. Now, if you want to make it more advanced, more smooth, you can here. So before we just bend our knees, lean a bit back, what we want to do is kind of moving our hips in the circle motion, right? So down, hip to the front, back, down, hey. Yeah, so whenever we go down, we want to say round, back, front, round, back, front, round, ha, and a ha. Don't have to move your hip, just move your shirt, boom, or pants, whatever you're holding. Boom, back, front, round, back, front, round, hey. You can also move your hip, yeah, so back, front, round. I'm just exaggerating here to show you, boom, hey. Now, other things you can do is, doing like that. So just going around instead of back to the front here. So round, hop, and round, hey. All right. You can also, move with it, hey. So what I do is when I'm down, and I'm on my way back up, I go step. All right, you can also do it the other way. So I go boom, down, step, down, step, down, step. All right, so when you do it fast, it's gonna be like this. Hey. All right, guys, that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the bust down. Yeah, let me know if it helped you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.